Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Roblox website images are not showing on your website of Roblox. Click on the three dot option and scroll down, click on the settings. So now in the your Chrome settings, click on the privacy and security, click on the site settings. Now here you will see the view permission and data stored across site. So once you click on that, here you will see the roblox.com website like this. So you can just click on that and you can also search for the Roblox website like this. Just click on the Roblox. Here you will see the Roblox website on the first number. So once you click on that, so guys, make sure you open the roblox.com website. After that, here you just need to scroll down in the permission, you will see the images. So here you just need to make sure that this is selected to the allow default. And once you select it to allow default, just go back to the Roblox home and just refresh it and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the system. Here you just need to uncheck these two and then again you can uncheck and check these. After that, just restart the quorum, see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then go to the reset settings, click on the restore settings to the default. Then you click on the reset settings. Once you click on that, now your all the Google Chrome settings are reset, and then you have to restart the Chrome, and then your problem is definitely fixed. And guys, if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video.